Black tea, cherished for its bold flavors and invigorating qualities, has long been a favorite among tea aficionados. In the ever-evolving tea landscape, certain varieties stand out, earning acclaim for their exceptional quality, unique characteristics, and the meticulous craftsmanship behind their production. This exploration into the best 5 black teas brings to light the top picks that have captivated tea lovers with their distinctive profiles and delightful complexities. Number 5. Organic Positively Tea Company, Assam TGFOP Black Tea, Loose Leaf, 16 ounce. About this item, brand Organic Positively Tea Company, item form loose leaf, flavor Assam, tea variety black, unit count 16 ounce, tea type, organic black tea, caffeine level, high, tasting notes, sweet, smooth, complex, certification, USDA certified organic, origin, India. Tailors of Harrogate is carbon neutral certified, a member of the Ethical Tea Partnership, and Rainforest Alliance certified, number 1 black tea in the UK, IRI Canter, value volume sales, 52W/E November 4, 2023. Tailors of Harrogate is carbon neutral certified, a member of the Ethical Tea Partnership, and Rainforest Alliance certified, number 1 black tea in the UK, IRI Canter, value volume sales, 52W/E November 4, 2023. Just Delicious Tea, certified USDA organic non-GMO. All our products are certified USDA organic and certified non-GMO. Look for the USDA organic and non-GMO project seals on our products. Love it or we buy it. We don't think you should pay for products that you don't love. If you aren't enjoying our products, simply let us know and we will refund your order. It's as easy as that. Number 3, FGO Organic Hibiscus Tea, Eco-Conscious Tea Bags, 100 count, packaging may vary, pack of 1. About this item, hibiscus tea bags, 100 tea bags filled with premium hibiscus from Egypt, organic. Number 2, Twinings English Breakfast Black Tea, 100 individually wrapped tea bags, smooth, flavorful, robust, caffeinated, enjoy hot or iced. About this item, Twinings English Breakfast Black Tea, 100 individually wrapped tea bags, smooth, flavorful, robust, caffeinated, Twinings' most popular tea, English breakfast, created by selecting some of the finest teas, each with their own unique characteristics for a well-balanced blend, caffeinated, 100 tea bags. Smooth, full-bodied tea, a blend of teas from Kenya and Assam create a delightful cup of tea. Individually sealed tea bags stay fresh. Take your tea on the go in your purse, workout bag, backpack, school or work desk or car. Each tea bag is sealed for freshness, so every cup of Twinings is the perfect cup of Twinings. Hot tea, pour boiling water over tea bag, steep for 3 to 5 minutes, remove and enjoy. Iced tea, fill half a pitcher with boiling water, steep 4 tea bags for 3 minutes, remove, then add ice to desired strength. Or use 1 tea bag in a heat-resistant glass. Enjoy immediately, drink in life. With a signature blend of tradition and innovation, Twinings encourages tea lovers to drink in life by taking small steps towards feeling good and living well, one sip at a time. Feeling good and living well, one sip at a time, well-being at the heart of every cup of Twinings. By ethically sourcing quality ingredients and keeping the environment front of mind in everything we do, we believe Twinings can be a force for positive change around the world. Sourced with care, our responsible sourcing program. Feeling good and living well, one sip at a time, well-being at the heart of every cup of Twinings. By ethically sourcing quality ingredients and keeping the environment front of mind in everything we do, we believe Twinings can be a force for positive change around the world. Sourced with care, our responsible sourcing program. which aims to improve the lives of communities from which we source through improving access to water and sanitation, empowering women and enhancing incomes and resilience. Brew a splendid cup with K-Cup pods, using a Keurig or other single-serve brewer. For hot tea, select the 6 ounces or 8 ounce brew button for optimal flavor. For iced tea, brew over a tumbler of ice using the 8 ounce option.